The revolt of 1857 is well known, but long before and beyond 1857, many other rebellions shook British rule in India. Stay till the end for a unique bonus revolt. The Vellore Mutiny of 1806. Decades before 1857, sepoys rebelled against the company over new military uniforms, including leather headgear that hurt religious sentiments. The revolt was supported by the sons of Tipu Sultan, but it was brutally suppressed. The Satara Kolhapur Revolt in 1857. A planned uprising led by Rango Bapuji Gupte in Satara and Prince Chimaji of Kolhapur was meant to coincide with the 1857 revolt in North India, but some unforeseen consequences led to its failure. The Paika Rebellion in 1870, often called India's first armed revolt, the Paikas of Odisha rose against British land reforms and loss of traditional rights. Led by Bakshi Jagabandhu, it shook British control in eastern India. Bombay Sepoy Conspiracy 1857. In September 1857, Indian sepoys led by Drill Havaldar Syed Hussain of the Marine Battalion and Sepoy Mangal Gadre planned to rebel during Muharram, but before it was materialized, Charles Forget, the acting commissioner of police, used disguises and intelligence to foil the plan. The Polygar Revolts from 1750 to 1847. In South India, the Palayakaras or Polygar chiefs fought the company for decades. Leaders like Veerapandya Kuttavaman became symbols of early resistance. The Indian Naval Mutiny of 1946. In February 1946, sailors of the Royal Indian Navy rose in revolt against the British rule, starting in Bombay and spreading to 78 ships and shore establishments across India. Though the revolt was eventually suppressed, many historians believe that it accelerated the British decision to leave India. And now here's your bonus: the White Mutiny of 1859. Not Indians, but European officers of the company rebelled after their privileges were cut when the crown took over the company's possessions. From a private army, they became part of the British army, which was no longer as lucrative. These rebels were the heroes who had quelled the rebellion in 1857 but now became rebels against the British rule. Follow Pravya now for more such forgotten stories from history and their relevance to our present. Let me know if I have missed some really interesting rebellion.